In order to change DPI settings on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, first we can go to settings. Over here, scroll down and choose display, and then here in a display, if you go to screen zoom, you should be able to find the DPI setting over here by tapping on any of these dots on the switcher, or you can also move left and right as well. If that is not enough, you can also use developer options that allow you to find the hidden DPI option, where we can adjust the value of DPI by ourselves manually. So first we're gonna go back to the settings, scroll all the way down and choose about phone. Then here go to software information and keep tapping on the build number. Enter the screen lock password, press continue and allow development settings. Once you see this information at the bottom, go back to the settings and then scroll further down in order to reveal developer options. And now here we need to scroll down until we find the minimum width option. There we go. And here we can provide a different value that we have right now. So in my case, the default value is 384. You can use, for example, 320, and this is the minimal amount that we can get. This is the least that we can set up. If you try to set up less than 320, then it will be set to 320 anyway. And of course, the lower the value, the bigger the screen is. But if you set up, for example, 600, then the screen will be much smaller. Of course, remember to not use too high values because it might provide some glitches or bugs in the UI, so you should be always careful with these values. Of course, you can still switch it back if you want to. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye!